This problem is a transformation, and specifically it's a reflection. So it's asking us to reflect across the line of reflection, and that line of reflection is y equals negative x. So first, let's put the line of reflection on. If y equals negative x, then if y is 0, x is 0. If y is 1, then x would be negative 1. If y is 3, x would be negative 3. And so you can see it's this line that looks like that. So if I draw the actual line looks something like this. So there's my line of reflection. So now I want to put in my actual points. So my first point is b at negative 3, negative 4. So let's put that in at negative 3, comma, negative 4. Right there is my point B. My next point is going to be negative 1, negative 3, negative 1, negative 3, and that's point D. And then finally, I have point N at negative 1, negative 4. So right there, that is my point N. So here's what my triangle looks like right now. I want to take that triangle and I want to reflect it over this line of reflection. So to do that, remember to find the new image of a reflection, I take each individual point and I draw a straight line to my line of reflection. In this case, for B, I would draw a line that looks like this, and that's a straight line. Makes a right angle right here. They are perpendicular. And when I count how many units that is, I went through 1, 2, 3.5 boxes diagonally. So I want to continue the same distance, the same direction this way. So 1 half, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 3.5 boxes. And so my new point B is going to be right here. So I call that B prime. Do the same thing for all the other points. So for D, it went through 2 boxes diagonally to get there. Continue on 2 boxes, and there is my new point. And so that would be D prime. And finally for N, from N I went through 2.5 boxes diagonally, continue on the same distance, 1 half, continue on the same distance, 1 half, 1.5, 2.5, to right there. And there's my new point, N prime. Now I just have to put what these points are. So B prime is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So that would be 4, 3 for B prime. D prime is 3, 1. And N prime is 4, 1. So now I just have to find which point, or which of my questions it has these different points. So B as 4, 3, and N as 4, 1, and D as 3, 1, and I see that the answer is B. B as in boy has those points right there. So my answer is B.